What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Feels good to be back on another week. I hope y'all enjoyed my previous video that I had dropped about the Jordan 1s Royal Toes. Them shoes are so butter, y'all. I love them. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe down below. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the Human Made family, the Star and Cowboy family. Just be sure to do that. Also, follow my Discord. Well, join my Discord. Link down below if y'all want to join. I'm gonna try to get more active in there, so I'm gonna try my best to get active. Also, if you want to be a part of the weekly recap videos and join me, and you can give your take on a drop that just happened like this week that just passed, or the weeks, the upcoming weeks. If you want to join and be a part of it and do some reviews with me of that week, hit me up and I'll get you in and we can do it together. Not like that, but if y'all want to join, let me know. It'll be pretty fun just to get other people's opinions besides mine on the drop that just happened within that week. So without further ado, let's get into the spring summer 2021 week 2 Human Made. Let's get it. So anyway, this week wasn't really hitting. It was kind of mid, kind of meh. I wasn't really feeling it, but we're still gonna do this weekly review just to give y'all my opinion what I thought would have dropped. And let me know how y'all felt about this drop as well in the comment section. And let me know how y'all felt about it. But anyway, it was a pretty mess drop. They really didn't drop much, but I did cop something. But anyway, there's enough talking. This video may be short because of the shit that they already dropped. It wasn't really that much. But let's get right into it and let's talk about it. Let's get into it. So the first item we're gonna talk about is the Beatles sweatshirt that just dropped. I think they dropped the other day. But anyway, it just had the Beatles on it. I really didn't like this shirt because they did this before on just a regular t-shirt and now they put it on a sweater. I really don't care for this. I don't care for it. It ain't something I'll wear. It's meh, kind of mid. I don't know. If y'all ever bought one of their sweatshirts, let me know how the quality is on that compared to like their shirts and hoodies. What's the quality is on sweatshirts? Just let me know if y'all have an idea of how that feels. Like the quality of these shirts. But again, man, I know Nigo like the Beatles, but I don't really care for the Beatles. So, mid, trash. Really don't care for it. Next. Alright. This I like, but I couldn't afford this shit. I looked at it, 54,780 yen. That's like $530-ish. I told myself, Mac, you're not buying that. And I was like, you know what, Mac? You're right. You're not buying that. So anyway, yeah, it's a dope jacket, but for that price, I'll save my money for that jean jacket they got coming out. Cause that thing is fire. So anyway, let's get into this. So they got a navy blue jacket with the yellow hits on it, with the ducks on the front, on the left and right breastises. So these are embroidered on. Thank God they embroidered the whole thing like they could have did on a previous one, because they would have embroidered the other bomber jacket that they had with the duck on the back instead of print. If they would have like embossed, well, if they would have embroidered that, I would have copped, but they didn't. So this one is fire. It's hard as hell. It says Human Made at the top with the duck flying with like some wheat in his mouth, I guess, and up under it, right outside my door. And we are. So as it draws, pretty dope, all embroidered. So I see why it costs $500. Look at that. Look at that stitch count. I don't even know how many. I don't even really know much about stitch counts. I heard my YouTubers talk about stitch count before. But anyway, dope. I like the colors. I like how they contrast off the blue. It's just hard. That green, white, yellow, orange, blue. What that baby blue. It's dope. I like it. I like this jacket, but it ain't for me. It is not for me. How y'all feel about it? Let me know. Let's go to the next one. Now this one I really like, but again, that price, I'm not feeling that price. So this is the same price as the bomber jacket. 54,780 yen. Hold on, I said it right? 54,700. Yeah, 54,780 yen. I can't get that shit right. But anyway, they came this jacket, this raincoat, or the rain jacket, came in navy blue and olive. But I like the olive better than the navy blue, because that olive and that yellow print is just hard as shit. Look at that. Just look at this. That contrast just hit, bruh. Hits. Then it pops, look, like that. But yeah, I really like this. I like this design of the duck. It's like one of my favorite designs of the duck that they use, and I like how they use it to, you know, fill up the whole back of it. But for that price, I'm not paying it. I'm not paying that price. But I seen Nigo wear it. Seeing him wearing it, I see why it costs that much. You just looking at it on somebody, you just see the quality of it and why it's going for so much. But it is hard as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. And I like, ooh, this is what I like right here. Like, they got these straps like right here at the top, and then on the back side, they got the X. This shit is fire. I like that. Little X-Man action, little X-Man. You know about X-Man? Yeah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's what it reminds me of, like, the X-Man vibe, but in the back. But I really like how they got this right here with these straps in the back of the hood. But I don't like the hat, like the little bill of the hood. I could do without that. And it's pretty dope too. On the Velcro, it has what they say? Yeah, gifts for futuristic teenagers, like on the Velcro right here, and it has a yellow heart as well to contrast. So I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, but I ain't feeling that price. Let me show you got a blue. This is the blue version, so y'all can get an idea what that looks like. And these sold out, which I understand. Like, these some really good jackets, but for that price, I ain't paying it. But I like the blue and white with the navy blue and white. I think Nigo really do like navy blue because he used that color a lot. I mean, a lot. I'm like, bro, come on with some black hats, come out with some black jackets, you know. But yeah, I really like this navy blue rain jacket, dope as hell. But I like the olive a little bit more. So that's it for that. And we're finna get into the goods / accessories. Alright, so the accessories was pretty mid. They still got stuff left over from last week. But, so the first one we're gonna talk about is the steel stacking box case, steel case, whatever you wanna call it. I thought it was pretty dope. Can't go wrong with storage. You always can use anything to store stuff. Well, not anything, but this would be perfect to have to store stuff. They still have some in stock. I thought it was pretty dope. It says human made on one side, dry all. Let me go make it bigger. It said, yeah, human made on one side, dry alls on that side. And yeah, simple, standard, dope. It's different. That's why I like human made. I mean, it's different enough, but there's just one reason why I'm a big fan of human made, because like little things like this, it's just like the simple things that I like that they do. And that's how it looks if you have multiple. Just stack them on top, just fold these in and just stack on top. So that's one of the items that came out in the goods. Let's see the next. I'm gonna run, let's see, go. God damn, there we go. All right, so we have the belt. So the belt, I wasn't really feeling it. They came in like 3 sizes. It wasn't the length, it was more like the width of the belt. So this is like the thin, skinnier version. So this was a little bit cheaper. This was 5,280 yen, which would probably come around probably like 40 to 50 dollars if I'm not mistaken. I have a price up on the screen, so show you the conversion. So I wasn't really feeling this too much. It says gears for futuristic teenagers. The normal slogan with the duck. I guess, yeah, with the duck on it flying. Simple. And I can just show you all 3 of these at once instead of just going and showing you each. So this is the one we're looking at right now, the skinnier one. And this is like more of the normal size belt that you probably would get from them. And this is like, I don't know why they came out with like a thicker one. It just sounds weird. Pause. Heavy pause. But I think these gonna be sitting for a while. These may sit for like a month or 2, maybe longer, because I don't really see the resale value or people really buying this belt in particular. Me, I won't buy it. I passed on it, to be honest. So yeah, it was pretty mid. It was a pretty mid. What else we got? And yeah, that's it. So they came with like a 4-piece set of the steel stacking box. Well, the steel stacking boxes. They came with a 4-piece, and those sold out quicker than singles. So some people, I guess, they wanted 4 instead of 1. So yeah, these sold out quick, and I'm good on this. So basically, just the same thing that we just seen, but they just sold multiple instead of just 1. So yeah, these sold out. The other still in stock. So if you're seeing this, these may still be in stock. Just go ahead and copy. They don't really cost much. Let me see how much it costs. Like if you just want 1, just copy it. Yeah, 5,280 yen ain't nothing. So again, this was a very, very, very mid-week. Nothing exciting, nothing dope. I bought one thing, so I'll let y'all mind and imagination wander and figure out what I'll cop, because you'll find out when I get it, because I don't want to spoil it. I just got to surprise y'all with it. But anyway, I'm done talking. This was a lackluster meh week. I hope y'all cop what y'all wanted. If you did, let me know what y'all cop, and let me know what y'all was not feeling this drop. But anyway, that would be it for week 2. And I'll see y'all on week 3. Maybe I have a subscriber on for week 3 to go over the drop with me, and that may be a longer video. So with that being said, I'm out. Peace.